Find features that distinguish it from other brands for yuun. Karaoke Machine for adults with 2 wireless microphones, 6.5-inch speaker, PA system with remote control, LED light. Remote control. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features include high definition surround sound quality. The Karaoke Machine features a 6.5-inch subwoofer with a large diameter full-range bass driver, delivering powerful and immersive surround sound. The highs are crisp, the mids are clear, and the lows are impactful, providing a unique audio experience. Dynamic color ambient lights. Our karaoke speaker features multiple lighting color modes for easy switching. With 4 lighting modes, it adds vibrancy to your party, enhancing every note and beat while creating a joyful atmosphere. 2 wireless microphones. High-performance portable karaoke machine with 2 rechargeable microphones. The 5.0 Bluetooth microphones automatically connect to the karaoke speaker upon powering on. The high-frequency microphones come with built-in reverb to enhance vocals, making them perfect for any karaoke gathering. Multifunctional portable karaoke speaker. This karaoke machine for adults features a one-touch recording function that allows you to record your favorite music, promotional ads, and more, with a built-in loop playback option. It also includes an infrared remote control for easy song selection from a distance, making it simple to manage your performance. Compact and portable. The karaoke machine features a user-friendly design with a lightweight body that can be carried by hand, making it easy to take anywhere. Its powerful battery life ensures you can enjoy singing freely outdoors. Multiple playback modes. The portable karaoke machine supports USB drives and memory cards for plug-and-play functionality, FM radio reception, and AUX audio input. It easily connects to computers, smartphones, and more, allowing you to fully unleash your music. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.